Hey guys, it's Cherie from Space Invaders. We have just finished one of the episodes. We're about to do the reveal with the homeowner, so we're pretty excited. Wanted to give you a sneak peek at this lounge. I absolutely love this lounge. It's a white boucle lounge, very textured. Actually sourced this from Luxo Living. So I guess some of you might need a new couch sofa lounge for your homes. How do you select the perfect couch? Well, for me, obviously looks is really important to make sure that your lounge coordinates with the rest of the colors through your home, but what's really important too is the size of your lounge as well. You can see that we've got a wall here. This wall is almost 3.5 meters long. This couch is just over 2 meters long. So this couch is scaled correctly to the size of this wall. You don't want something that's too big, that's restricting circulation space around your lounge room. So always think about the size of your furniture, and that way you don't end up in a situation where you bought your furniture, it's been delivered to your house, you've got it home and it doesn't fit and you can't take it back. See you next time.